So, I would like to introduce you to the new multi-signature feature of the Aerapass system. This feature will allow business accounts to add additional signatories, which can take control over the account, and it will allow the execution of outgoing payments to require multiple sign-offs or signatures to be executed. For that to happen, you have to browse to the security page and scroll to the bottom. Then we'll have the multi-signature section, which is basically split in 3 parts. So we can add or invite new signatories. We can manage the existing signatories, and we can manage the signature scheme. So for the demo, let's just go ahead and let's invite a new signatory. So as you can see here, basically this account has now 2 signatories, right? So we have the master account with that email address, which is 1 signatory, right? And then now we have invited an additional signatory. And now also we unlocked the section here below. So in this section, we can define the signature scheme. So by default, it will require 1 signature per outgoing transaction. That basically means that every one of these accesses can basically create an outgoing payment and will be executed immediately. If we now change it to require 2 out of 2 signatures, that will basically mean that either one can create a transaction and the other account will have to approve or sign off on the transaction. So to show you that, guys, we can just go ahead and maybe create an outgoing transaction. So if we now check our transaction history, we can see that the new transfer which we just created is now in an unsigned status. It also has the information that 1 of 2 approvals has only happened. So another approval is required. If we now check the mailbox of the just invited signatory, we can see that we received this invitation and we can simply accept that. So the new signatory has to define a password and also has to set up his OTP. And then the new signatory can log in. And he also takes control over the just seen Hello World Limited account. And we also find the unsigned transactions. So we can see here 1 of 2 approvals for this transaction have happened already. And if I approve it now, boom, the transaction is completed. So the signatory can do almost the same as the master account, just basically cannot change any sensitive information of the master account, right? So everything is grayed out. So the number of signatures is basically unlimited. So depending on your needs, you can basically create any kind of signature. You can have 10 signatories and define the minimum required signatures to process a transaction. That's it.